Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install the free games on Nintendo Switch. So to do this, you'll need to unlock your device, then go to the Nintendo eShop, press A, select the user. You might need to log in this part or re-enter your password. Now go down like this. You can go to Nintendo Switch Online, but actually let's go to Discover. Discover, press A. And now we're gonna scroll down a bit till we find download for free, and we're gonna select and highlight that and press A on it. Now we can choose the game that we want to download. For example, here we're gonna download the let's find something, the Trove, and just select free download. You need to move to the right to do that. Press A. Then again you need to move to the right to highlight the free download right here, and just press A. Now it's added to your list, and we're gonna close that, and it should start download automatically and be visible right here in the main menu. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.